All right, so it's astrology time. Shane here, daily-astrocat.com, and it is Tuesday, the 18th of November. Now, in case you're wondering, just between you and I, Mercury's still retrograde. Okay, what do you mean by that, Shane? Well, I mean that freaking retrograde. Nothing's working still. Oh my God, I got stuck in one town in New Hampshire for an entire hour and 15 minutes yesterday. And I had to leave by going back into Massachusetts, trying to get back to the highway, going all the way up the highway for an appointment. Called the person, told them I would be running late. Got to the place, just about got to the place, and get a contact back. Are you sending me a link for a Zoom meeting? I'm like, oh my God, help me. Okay, between my eyes and the system, and this was originally scheduled for somebody else, so none of the documents went to me. Yeah, Mercury freaking retrograde. Got it all sorted out though, and that's where we're at, right? That's what you got to do. It takes time. It is not impossible, but boy, does it, for the lack of a better word, suck. Okay, so anyway, there we go. So look, Tuesday, the moon's in Scorpio all day long. Let love rule, so they say. Passion is en fuego. You know, it's on fire, en fuego. And the moon meets up with Venus in the most sexual of signs. Now, what's this mean for you? Don't know. What are you going to make of it? That's the important part. But this happens very late in the evening. So today is a mostly focused moon in Scorpio. What does that mean, Shane? We focus on the power. We focus on getting to the unknown. We focus on getting to, Scorpio things that really, that sex, that passion, that reinventing ourselves, that drive. It's mostly about drive. It's not about the reinvention. The reinvention is mostly Pluto, the rebirth, and the destruction of what it is that came before it. We're not looking to destroy anything. What we're doing, though, is we are asserting our personal power in ways that hasn't been asserted before. We and this doesn't have to be job related either. We've had enough, and now we are ready to wash our hands of some long festering issues. This should not shake us from our determined path, though. This should only strengthen our resolve. That's Scorpio stuff, right? Strengthening our resolve, just getting focused and right in on it, right? Okay. Now, we need to solidify the home team. That's you, me, everybody together, right? Whoever's on your home team, whoever your homies, right? Whoever they are, you need to solidify that. And then we put it we got to put ourselves on a path to, we want to have better outcomes for everybody involved in all of our future endeavors. So that's how we're building up to this new moon that's going to occur between Wednesday and Thursday in the sign of Scorpio. New moons are new intentions. This is going to be a wicked new moon, right? My New Englandness, my Massachusettsness is coming out. It's wicked, okay? And it's wicked in the wicked way that we mean it here. It's a wicked new moon, and it's going to be wicked awesome when we finally arrive to where we're at and what we're doing. Now, is it wicked pisser? Could be. Now, pisser's good, right? So, yeah, it could be. So anyway, pay close attention to how you approach presenting and accepting contracts, okay? That has a bearing on what we're doing, and that's part of this retrograde stuff too, right? You got to be thorough. You got to be precise. You got to be doing what it is that you're doing, and make sure that you're following that, right? Now, today's keyword is determination. Now, do we make a determination about something, or are we determined to go for these better outcomes? Both, I would argue. Now, the color is the shadow bits of the waning crescent moon. You know how you can kind of look up in the sky and you see that little crescent and you can see the rest of the dark? Yeah, that color. That's kind of cool. What is left undone will have to be revisited in the future. Today is not a day for beginning again. That's right. Today is a day for cutting the ties that bind us to the past and forging longer and stronger ties with love and companionship. It is easy to get carried away, so rein it in a bit and remember that there's a time and a place for everything. One of Scorpio's hidden powers is knowing this intuitively and using it ruthlessly at the proper moment. Okay. Now, like Sunday, today is a focused moon up until 11:49 p.m. The intensity is going to feel like it's off the charts. Yep, as we go through the day. We're just going to be going through the day and we're going to be like, okay, bing, 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 bing. Fantastic, right? It's going to be good. Now, controlling those feelings will be difficult. But remember, two things as we head into the holiday season. I struggled with this. Make time for success today. You deserve it, okay? Make time. Celebrate a little bit, okay? You do deserve it. We can't always go, go, go. So you want to be strategic with every opportunity. Allow yourself the grace to slow down and embrace what the season has to offer. It's the season, Scorpio season, the season, Thanksgiving season, the season, the holiday season coming up. Cycles within cycles, what I'm always on about. Now, there's no expiration date for Scorpio, okay? None. It doesn't exist. Whatever you're thinking, the machinations, the things that you're going through in your mind, no expiration date. Ask a sun sign Scorpio. Some carry these for decades, till the time is right. Mercury enters the inquisitive and calculating sign of the Scorpion tonight at 10:20. Oh, everything I said is just up for review. I'm kidding. I'm only partially serious. There's a nuance to the sign of the Scorpion, to Scorpio, that is difficult for the non-natives to grasp. But with Mercury re-entering it, it gives us a chance to revisit what it is that we've been doing lately and what we've been saying and how we've been thinking, and allow us to refine it, okay? And how do we refine it? We refine it like a master alchemist. We do it through intention. We do it through atmosphere. We do it through what it is that we're trying to create. We do it with fire. I like that. Candles are lit. My intentions are set. My intentions for you are nothing but love, goodwill, peace, and happiness for everyone. And that is where I come from. And that is my Scorpio intention. The other ones are work-related. That's all I'm saying. All right. So, in 1755, the worst earthquake in the Massachusetts Bay Area strikes Boston. There were no deaths reported, but about a third of the chimneys in Boston proper all tumbled. There were steeples were shaken, some of them off of churches almost entirely. The cricket at Faneuil Hall fell. The weather vane. It's a famous weather vane. If you've ever been there, you see it. It's the little cricket, right? It happened right off of Cape Ann, which is the Gloucester area. So Cape Ann is to the north of Boston, and Boston is a very seismically active area. And that was probably about a 6.2 on the Richter scale, estimated, because they didn't have little shaky things that did it. You can get a daily one at the Weston Observatory that is maintained by Harvard University, and it just has a running seismic log. Every time we have an earthquake around here, sometimes, and it happens a lot, we get little tremors and stuff like that. Not probably as frequent as California, or not as strong lately as California, but it's frequent enough that you can actually go to that website and check it out, and you can see little blips and blups and everything like that of the just the moving of the Earth's crust. So that's what I have for that part. And then our birth is W.S. Gilbert. Oh, yes, Gilbert and Sullivan, right? 1836 to 1911, an English dramatist, poet librettist, remembered for his comic operas with Arthur Sullivan. Gilbert and Sullivan, you got to love it, right? The Pirates of Penzance, the HMS Pinafore, the Mikado, among several, right? Born in London. And that's all I have for you. Let's recap, shall we? My goodness, I'm getting long-winded in these, right? Why not? Look my intentions. The color is the shadow bits of the waning crescent moon. And the keyword is determination. Be determined. I appreciate and love every single one of you. Thank you so much for finally enough of you hitting subscribe and just liking and following me all throughout both of the major platforms that I'm on. Finally hit over 1,000 on TikTok, and I really appreciate that. It's been an adventure, to say the least, and hopefully we'll be getting better, and we'll be getting some more content out as a result of it. Right? Maybe even some live stuff coming up. I need time. That's what I need. Anyway, and I need to not waste my time like I did today with Mercury retrograde. But that's going to end soon enough. Don't worry about it. It happens every year, 3 to 4 times a year. We learn to live with it. Cycles within cycles within cycles, my constant mantra. That's what I got for you today. Got any comments or anything? Drop them below, right? I started this at 12:12 on the 18th of November. I appreciate and love every single one of you. Today, speaking of numbers, is a 6, which there would be 4 of them in the 1212. Oh, back to 444. Always, 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 always. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Happy astrocatting.